Don't you know that you are with a dime? Boy, do not waste my time. I got hella.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And my name is Myanna, and if you don't know who I am, my name is Myanna. I do hair videos. What else do I do? Things that I want to do. I do a lot of things on here. Okay. So today we're gonna do a hair video, as you can see in the title, and I'm gonna show you guys how I got this look and blending my wig. Why do I look like that on camera? Yeah, this is what I thought. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share. Anyways, follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Maya. It's gonna be right here in the description box. I will definitely link where I got this hair, what color dye. I'll link all the items that I used in my description box. Okay, so description box is your friend. You guys are just gonna watch me do my hair. I'm gonna do a little voiceover, and yeah. All right guys, bye. Okay, so I just started off by putting warm water into a bowl, and then this is how the hair looked. This is going to be my second install. The first install, I will link the YouTube video to the woman that did it, and this is the color that I use. Is Periwinkle by Adore, and then I'm just going to put that in the warm water and then mix it up. Okay, so I'm going to start off as dipping the ends because I do want my ends to be a bit darker than the rest of the head. So I'm going to dip that in a couple times just so I could grab a lot of color, and then I'm going to pour the rest of it in there. So I don't like the ball cap method, so I'm just going to put a cap on my head, and this is the powder that I'm going to use. And I'm just going to put the powder around the edges, and I'm going to put it a little far back to where my part is. I don't know if I want to do a middle part or a side part yet. Oh, I'm big tripping. Do not ever brush your hair like that. You're supposed to brush it from bottom to top. You know your natural hair. Do not be like me. I'm big tripping. Okay, so my camera died, so I'm just gonna brush it back so that I can properly place it down, because I do not want any hairs getting in the glue or getting in the spray. So I didn't show it on the video, but I did actually not only use Got2b around my head, but the sides of my hair, like where my ears are, I used I used Ghost Bond for that, so that it could stay a bit longer. So now I'm just going to brush it back again just to make sure that everything is in place, and then kind of use my rat tooth comb to lay it down and try to secure it. And then I'm spraying the Got2b over on top of the hair, on top of the lace, so that it's like another layer. It's like a sandwich, you know, Got2b, lace, Got2b. So now I don't know if I want to do a middle part or a side part, but today we're gonna go with a side part because I just want to try something different today, and I think it looks super cute with a side part. So I learned that when you use the blow dryer, when you're making your part, it makes it so much easier. Just press the blow dryer down on the hair, and it literally molds the hair, and you could do this as many times, side part, middle part, other side part, any of that. And then I go in with my hot comb just to secure it and bring in that extra heat just to lay it down. Then I go with my Got2b. I use that as like a setting spray kind of thing. And I just learned, actually that was my first time doing it, that they use the little flip over method. You use the Got2b and then go in with the hot comb. This hot comb is literally holy grail. I don't know what I would do without my hot comb, honestly. and then I go in with the Got2b like I said, and then spray the top to secure it and just get rid of the flyaways. So my camera just died, so we're gonna hurry up and finish this video. All I did was just try to split this back as best as possible I can. But if you see right here, the tracks are kind of showing, so I'm not dealing with that. So I'm gonna cut some baby hairs, how they do it in the other YouTube videos. So I'm just, I usually don't cut baby hairs because like I don't need baby hairs and I actually do not like them. But this side part looking kind of sick. I like sideburns, don't get me wrong. But like baby hairs, I'm not a baby. Like, I just refuse to have baby hairs. So I think I'm gonna leave it with this blowout look like that I got going on. I kind of like it. How do you guys like it? My camera's about to die again, so this is how it's looking. I'm gonna take pictures just like this blowout look. So thank you guys so much for watching my YouTube video, and you already know, if you made it this far to the video, we cousins. You already know, me and you is like, it's like this, okay? So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah.